In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Lightroom Classic when it's running slow, and we'll start by optimizing some of the catalog settings. When working with Lightroom Classic, the speed and efficiency can sometimes slow down over time, often due to the way previews are handled during your photo editing sessions. Fortunately, there are some simple adjustments you can make to manage the performance better. To begin with, let's open up Lightroom Classic and navigate to the Catalog settings. Once you're there, click on the File Handling tab. Here, you'll find options for configuring how Lightroom generates and manages its previews. These previews are essentially smaller representations of your images that Lightroom uses to speed up editing processes. However, if not properly adjusted, they can consume more resources than necessary and contribute to slow performance. First, let's set the standard preview size to something reasonable. It's crucial not to set this excessively large, as larger preview sizes can slow down your system, especially if it's not equipped with high-end hardware. A common choice is to select a size that aligns closely with your display resolution. This helps in maintaining a balance between clarity during editing and efficient performance. Next, take a look at the preview quality. In the same File Handling tab, you'll find an option to adjust the preview quality. Here, the goal is to reduce the overhead. You have options like medium or low, and setting the preview quality to medium or even low can substantially decrease the load on your computer without significantly impacting your editing experience. Lowering the quality reduces the demand on your system by generating smaller preview file sizes, which can be particularly beneficial if your system has limited processing power or if you're working with a very large catalog. These adjustments might seem minor, but they can make a significant difference in how smoothly Lightroom Classic runs, especially when dealing with extensive photo libraries or high-resolution images. By optimizing these settings, you're ensuring that Lightroom uses your system's resources more effectively, allowing for smoother and faster performance overall. In addition to these changes, remember to regularly maintain your Lightroom catalog. This includes tasks such as backing up your catalogs and keeping your software updated to the latest version available. Regular housekeeping can prevent your setup from becoming bogged down over time and contribute to maintaining a responsive and efficient working environment. And there you have it. Just a few simple changes in your catalog settings can help keep Lightroom Classic running smoothly, allowing you to focus on your creative work without frustrating delays. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on improving your digital workflow.